IRS Audit's Employee Classification. Want to know what happens in an IRS audit on employee classification? This is the IRS's process to determine whether your business owes more than tax. IRS's exam is based on whether you correctly treat your company's workers as employees or contractors. Here are the 3 basics you need to know. Basic number 1, the why. Some companies treat their workers like contractors. Usually, this means that the company does not withhold taxes from the worker's paycheck and is the opposite from workers treated as employees. The government usually prefers that companies treat workers like employees. Why? It's because if taxes are withheld and paid to government by the company instead of the worker, the job of tax collection becomes much easier for the IRS or state, and unfortunately extremely expensive for the business owner. The IRS wants these contractors to be employees. Basic number 2, the how. There really is a bottom line, like a mark in the sand for the IRS or state whether employees or contractors. IRS published information that was supposed to help you decide how to classify your workers. Remember, the IRS or state wants to learn who controls the relationship. Yes, that's a lot to think about. The list of 20 factors considered all come down to one single thing: control. Look at this list. Every factor listed wants to know who controls instructions, training, integration throughout the business, service rendered personally, the hiring, supervising, and paying of assistants, continuing relationships, set hours for work, full-time requirements, premises where work is performed, order of work process, reporting, oral or written, frequency of pay, payments of business or travel expenses, furnishing tools and materials, investment in the work, profits and losses, moonlighting or multi-gigs, services made available to public, right to discharge or fire, right to terminate without penalty. Basic number 3, the IRS is not always correct. You can win an audit against the government. Obviously, you need the best help to represent your company. You don't win without knowledge, and it's not on YouTube. You want to win your audit, yes? But here's something else. Winning comes in many different forms. A win happens if the audit is limited to no past or future periods. You definitely win if you avoid the very costly IRS penalties. You get the big win if there's no audit change. That's a lot to think about. But if you receive an IRS audit notice, give us a call. We know the IRS rules, and we know how to win for you. You want to win your audit, yes?